Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video we will see what is the process of application to apply in University of Bachloars. Okay, this universities are offering MS admission and also bachelor admission. Okay, uh, bachelor and MS courses that are offered by Bachloars University are civil engineering, next business administration, economics and finance. They are offering many courses in both bachelors and masters. Okay, here on this official website you will see which courses they are offering, and I provide the link of their website in description box. So first of all, what you have to do is open this website. I will provide the link of this website in description box. Okay, so let's start. First, what you have to do is convert this in English, and you have to create your account on their website. Okay, for example, this is the website where you have to register your account. Here register option will be shown. When you tap on register, then this type of website will be appear. Okay, this type of window will be appear. You have to put your all of information here, your username, email id, password, and uh, here what you have to do is Italian citizenship. If you have, then yes. If no, then you have to tap on no and leave this box empty. Next, you have to fill all of this information and tap on this and take it. And next, what you have to do, click here and new registration. Your registration will be done. Then what you have to do is when you tap on new registration, then this type of window will be appear, and you get a mail on your email id that you have given on this website. When you open your mail, and from this you simply click the link that is given in your mail. After this, you can easily log into your account, and simply you have to open this window and log in into their official portal. Okay, okay, this will be appeared. Congratulations, your account is confirmed. Now what you have to do is tap on this, go to home. Then this type of window will be appear. In this window, different universities are seen. You have to select University of Bachloars from this, as the university's name are written in italic, so you have to find it. Scroll down, and this is University of Bachloars, and this is the symbol of this university. So simply tap on this, then this type of a website will be open. Now what you have to do is here different type of courses you see that they are offering. So what you have to done next is you select according to your choice. For example, I am selecting this one. Okay, if the language of this is not English, then what you have to do is right click and translate to English. Then always translate Italian to English. Okay, now what happen when you tap on call for the selection of student, this type of a window will be opened. Now what you have to do is simple. You have to tap here, manage your application and manage your application. Then this type of window will be appear. Now what you have to do is right click 2 times and translate to English. Okay, now what you have to do is sign in and submit. Next, you tap on study tracks. When you tap on study tracks, here you will see for which subject you are applying. For example, I am applying for physics. Then save and proceed. Okay, simple English. All the detail is already filled, some of detail is missing here, so write it at your own. This is mandatory data, you have to fill it. Okay, my citizenship is Pakistan, so I select Pakistan, and place of birth is Sargodha. Okay, I fill all the data here, country, city, town, full address you have to type here, and then also give a contact address for any communication. Okay, next, give the phone number, mobile phone number, mailing address, and then if you have any disability, then yes, if not, then no, and save and proceed. Next, you have to select education. I, the candidate, declare that I have the following requests. Next, what you have to do is a bachelor degree obtained in a university external to the Italian school system. No, you have to leave this. You have to take this one and save and proceed, because our degree is not in Italian, we do our degree in English language. Next, information notice on personal data treatment, but only you have to this tick everyone, every box here, and save and proceed. Next, what you have to do is ID card for Europeans and passport for non-Europeans. You simply what to do is card ID, document number, if you have passport, then you select passport and write your passport number here. Okay, next, issue date of your passport. For example, my issue date of passport is this one. Expiry date of passport is place of issue. Okay, place of issue, for example, Sargodha, issue authority Nadra, and what I have to do next is upload the copy of passport. I upload it, and then what I have to do is upload the copy of CV here. Here is my CV. Next, English certificate. I upload an English certificate at least B2 level. Okay, if I select this one, I studied in English for 1 year during high school or bachelor's, then simply this. If you have English certificate, then you can simply upload it, because I have studied and completed my all education of high school and bachelor in English, that's why I am selected this one. There is no need of English certificate to upload. Okay, next, what to do is upload a transcript copy. Next is intent letter. You have to upload intent letter. I am uploading a random document here. Next is course description. A file containing a description of attended course unit that you consider relevant for your application. As this is not a document usually issued by universities, applicants have to fill in such a file by themselves as a self-certification. Use this template. Okay, next, what we have to do is tap on this, and a document will be downloaded. We open this document. In here you give all of your information, and at the end you take its print and sign here, and then what you have to do, take its picture and upload it in the form of PDF file here. choose file and then upload. If you want to upload any relevant document that helps you, that makes your profile more strong, then you can upload this here. And next, save and back to dashboard. Okay, when you save all the information, then this type of window will be appear. Now you have to sign in and submit your application. When you tap on this, then this type of window will be appear, in which all of information that you have given is displayed here at the end. But you have to do is scroll down and tap on this green box, signature and sign in. When you tap on this, then this will generate a PDF that you have to download. Okay, after this, a window will be appear on which you have to select this one, handwritten signature. When you tap on handwritten signature, then a new window will be appear. In this window, PDF download option will be seen. So you have to simply tap on this and you have to download this PDF. And when you download this PDF, what you have to do is you simply signature on this PDF at the end and capture its picture and make its PDF, and then you have to upload this on this option, choose file, and then you have to submit the application. Okay, this was all about the application process, how to apply for MS or bachelor's admissions on Loyola University. So this is a great opportunity for you to avail this scholarship. Must apply for this scholarship because this is fully funded. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, then please ask in comment box, and please subscribe my channel.